Hi, and welcome back to the channel today. Well, today we're going to stop and say hello to the chickens. Hi, chickens! Keep making those eggs. Eggs are like gold these days. Anyways, it is a beautiful morning. I think it's 7:30 in the morning right now, maybe 7:45. And the temperature is around 60 degrees. I mean, I'm not sure. We can come up here and take a look and see exactly what the temperature is right now, but I think it's around 60 degrees. It is. And it is a beautiful morning. Now, later on this afternoon, we are expecting rain. So I thought I would take advantage of this opportunity to run over to the Honey Creek bee yard and install the hives. Now, we're not going to be putting bees in the hives today, but I do want to get the hives set up on their stand and ready to receive bees on the 26th when I do my splits. I've got new queens arriving for the farmyard on the 28th. So I've got to do my splits on the 26th or thereabouts so that the hives at the farmyard are ready to receive their new queens. But there you go, and there you have it. Look at this. Got some girls right on the front of that hive. They're on the runway. They're getting ready to go out and get the goods. Anyways, there you go. There you have it. Let's get our stuff together. Head on over to the Honey Creek bee yard and get those hives set up. Hey, bug farmers. Welcome to Bug Farmer Beekeeping, where we dive into the world of apiculture, beekeeping, and bees every week. This is the place to share laughs, explore bees, and learn together, all without taking ourselves too seriously. To join our buzzing community, it's easy and it's free. Just hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and let's cultivate beekeeping knowledge and fun together. Now, let's get into the bees. Before I go, I've got to get a 2-pound bottle of honey for the landowner. He said he's out of honey, and I just happen to have some right here. Beautiful. And look at this. Have you ever seen 20 hives in the back of a pickup before? Well, that's 20 hives in the back of a pickup. Beautiful. And we are off. This is a new adventure. A whole nother bee yard. That's just a whole lot more work. But I think it's going to be worth it. I'm not going to waste your time with a lot of conversation on the way over there. We're going to have plenty of work to do when we get there. It's not going to be a long video like it was last week, folks. I mean, that's just not going to happen because really I'm just going to be setting hives on stands that are already in place. But it will be nice to see that bee yard set up, I tell you that. Huh, there's a squirrel sleeping in the middle of the road. I mean, I don't think he was sleeping. All right. I tell you what, this is very exciting. Now, I'm not looking forward to all the work that this bee yard is going to cause for me. That said, I'm very excited to get it set up. I think it's really going to do well. Maybe not this year. Maybe this year we're probably not going to get any honey out of it. But next year, next season, I think the honey is going to flow at the Honey Creek bee yard. All right, well, we made it, and it looks like the hive stands have survived the winter. So there you go. Have another look at this really quick. This is what the bees are going to see every morning when they go off on their flight. Beautiful. Beautiful. I wish I would have faced the hives this way. The only problem is we've got some bamboo there, so we want them to have a nice smooth takeoff this way. So they're going to be taking off directly south. I usually like to set things up southeast, but that's okay. Bees are gonna love living here. All right, where do we start? I guess we'll start with our two nicest bottom boards. That's these. These are reversible. They're beautiful. Now, all of this equipment here was purchased at Bob Binney's place, so I'm very, very happy with it. It's a nice bottom board there. Bottom board there, fantastic. Now I am going to have to run over to the farmyard one of these days pretty soon, do some mowing. But right now, that's the least of my concerns. I want to get this bee yard set up. Now, in case you're wondering why my bottom boards are painted black, well, it's because that's the spray paint that I had when I was painting them. Used what I had, saved money. Man, listening to this water is awesome. Excellent. Now I'm going to set the lids aside for right now. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to take the middle three frames out. That way when I do my splits at the farm, we'll have a spot in each one of these hives for the three frames that I abscond with from over there. I don't want to take too many bees from the farm because I want them to gather honey this year. This bee yard, I'm not really expecting them to gather any honey. I just want them to build up this year. So there you go, and there you have it. I will put all of these frames that I'm taking out in the cab of the truck. And when I do the splits, I'll just replace them in the other hives. These are not drawn out frames. So once I get these girls established over here, I am going to give them a bucket of sugar syrup so they can start drawing out the comb. Very light sugar syrup. And while I'm doing this, I will take this quick moment to say thank you to all the new subscribers. I've received a lot of new subscribers lately, so hi to you. Welcome to the channel. I'm glad you decided to follow along. We're gonna have a fun year this year. I've got a lot of things planned this season. A lot of interesting stuff is gonna be coming out this season on this channel. I've been working on some things for quite some time, and this is the year I let it fly. So welcome aboard. And for all of you who have been members of the channel and subscribers for a while, I've got a lot planned. I think you're going to dig it too. At least I hope so. Phase one is complete. I've got the hive set down there. Now I've got to grab the superfluous frames out of the boxes. I'm going to remove 3 frames from every one of the boxes. That way when we do the splits, the 3 frames from the other bee yard can go in there and they can begin their colony. Don't you just love the new bee yard smell? It's like a new car smell, only better. It smells like pine. Outstanding. right, so now that that's done, it's time to put the lids on and see what this thing looks like. All right, let's go have a look. We're gonna start up front. The premier beehives, of course, America. America's gonna be out front. Followed by Italy, because we have mostly Italian bees in the apiary. Then we just have a bunch of colorful lids. We'll just kind of go through here and have a look at them. We have some green, we have some purple. We have some crazy shapes, a little bit of pink there. Some alien looking stuff. I don't know what that is. We have some Russia for some Russian bees if we get them. That kind of looks like Google to me. We'll call that the Google hive, but we have another hive that looks very similar to that. We have blue, we have purple and pink. We have Eddie Van Halen's guitar in an alternate universe. We have some stripes. This is the other Google candidate. We're not gonna call this one Google. I like the other one. I think that one over there is Google. I don't know what this is. This is just hodgepodge. And then we have yellow. Then we have the scuba hive. Then we have silver and black. Ooh, that's beautiful. Nice yellow and green. We'll call that one John Deere. I don't know what we're gonna call this. This is craziness. All right, and this was leftover paint and one that didn't turn out very well, but whatever bee moves in there is gonna have the time of its life. That's gonna be a very productive hive. I can feel it. So there you go, and there you have it. There is the new Honey Creek Bee Yard we are launching in 2025. Now again, I don't expect these girls are going to make a lot of honey this year. I just don't think it's going to happen. But if I can get these colonies built up and stable and ready for winter next season, I think this yard's going to do very, very well. All right, well, there you go, the end of another adventure. Now, I understand this was a very quick video and it's not as long as the one that we had last week. I had a lot of comments saying that people like the long format stuff, so we may be doing more of those. But I didn't have a lot to do this week. I've been through both the home bee yard and the farm yard, and I've prepared them for their upcoming splits. But I had to get this bee yard put together so that I have some place to put the bees in a couple of weeks when I do the splits. Now, I am going to be splitting the bees at the farmyard on the 26th. I will probably be moving bees into this bee yard on the 26th of March or on the 27th, because on the 28th, I've got new queens arriving for the farmyard and we will be installing those. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this look at the Honey Creek Bee Yard. It's taking shape, and I appreciate you stopping by to have a look at it. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. If you have something to say, by all means, please comment. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, take a moment, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell to be notified of my new content. I do try to drop a video every Friday. We try to keep it light and have fun. So with all that said, be happy. I will see you next week. Take care.